very sunny Wednesday here in the Philippines. This is the main entrance of the main entrance of our church. Then the lot that you have see right now is the proposed lot for the new building. It's 8 by 16 square proposed measurement, 8 by 16, from this tree, mango tree, up to here, this here. So then this lot was purchased by our church in order for us to build the proposed building. There are basketball court, and this bahay kubo or lipahat is being utilized by so-called junior class. Quite big than this one. This lipahat or bahay kubo is being used by the primary class, ages 4 to 6 years old. Then this a little bit bigger. This bahay kubo or lipahat is being utilized for youth class from 12 years old to 18 or approximately 20. We used to stay here most of the time to eat our lunch here in this table. But at the same time, we are using this for our youth class. Okay, then
water.
This is our water, not so potable, because sometimes when it's there's a flood, no enough water. This is the small gate. This is our small gate. By the way, there's a road over here adjacent from the main gate, moving up here. Then because some of our members are stayed in that area. That's also San Isidro, Zone 1 of San Isidro. After Zone 1, Zone 2. So most of our members are coming from that area. Okay. Then this is the front view of our church. And before going down, moving inside, where you have to see our beginners class from 2 to 4 years old. There are our fourth bahay kubo or lipahat. Then you are about to see the main entrance of our church. This is the inside view of our church. Our stage, the musical instruments, a little bit small. It's only
6 by 12.
6 by 12 square meters. The capacity of this is only 60 to 80 or persons. And then we're moving forward to our dirty kitchen. At the back of our church, this is our dirty kitchen. We cook here every Sunday for our feeding program. This is our stove, our kitchen wherein we are utilizing the wood. And the stove, our paraphernalias in our kitchen. The plate, glasses, spoon, fork. Then this is our toilet, men and women, ladies and gentlemen. A small comfort room. By the way, Ate Marisa and Kuya Bill and Will, this portion from here going down there was being donated to us by Verona family. So this portion, this 2 lots, was being donated unto us by Verona brothers. And that portion wherein we can build the new building, the new proposed building is being purchased by Assemblies of God. Church members here, our church members here. So this is the back portion of our church. And that kubo was being devastated by Typhoon Tisui last December 3, 2019. So locked down. We have no funds available to restore that Bahay Kubo or Nipa hut. And that portion is